This is the final product. I built this together with my wife. Cost wise, a piece of 4 inches, something like by 4 inches, 4 meter in length is like $10 almost. Here is I'm gonna install those climbing rubber things so you can climb up on this side. I can install many things on the structure. There's a few reinforcements on the corners. I need to put more screws in, but it's solid. You can use it right now. The kids love it. Yeah, I'm very happy. Nice addition to the yard. Painted 2 times. Yeah. See you soon.